Okay, this is video number 2. At the top of Bascom Hill here. As you can see, you can't see the Capitol at all. Still a few people out and about. I was expecting a little bit higher winds up here. I don't know. We'll head to Van Heist maybe, see if we can find something better. Some people over here. Just want to say hi. Video logging.
This is crazy, man.
It's old Abe here. You guys just get out to see the storm as well?
Yeah. This is something else.
Yeah, no, this is crazy. This is probably the worst I've ever seen. As far as wind and snow wise.
The drifts are like 5 feet high.
You don't even have a mask on or anything. How are you doing this?
That's gonna be desperate. Yeah. Cam goggles are key. This is the side of the battle car.
Yeah. Gonna need shovels or something.
Yeah.
None of the snow's gonna be packing. Just madness. Okay, we'll see if I can find a better spot. Maybe a little more wind gust. See that?